everybody, this is Shelby. Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1968 Corvette Stingray. If you have any questions at the end of this video, don't hesitate to call or email us. Come on up and let's check it out. This was the first year for the C3 Corvettes. It features a new body style that is easily one of the most recognizable cars of all time. Looking across the front of this one, we can see that the grills and bumper are in excellent condition. It does come with hidden headlights and wipers that are working. As we make our way on the driver's side, we can check out the gorgeous styling on this 68. Come on up and let's check out the interior. The classic black is a stunning complement to the LeMans Blue exterior. We can see that the bucket seats are in excellent condition along with the door panels. Looking at the dash, you'll notice that the pad is in phenomenal condition along with all the gauges that are working with the exception of the clock. All of the carpet up front and the back is nice along with the steel plates. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the back. The C3 styling comes into full form out back with the new taillights. It has the chrome split bumpers that have a brilliant shine. You'll also notice the reverse lights and the rear valance along with having dual tips. This Corvette does come with both the hard and soft tops, which is white. As we make our way on the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you get a better appreciation for this beautiful Corvette. Down the sides are beautiful and we can see it has a stunning body on it. All the panels are gorgeous and the fit is just as nice. The LeMans Blue paint has been done in base coat, clear coat, and they've done a phenomenal job polishing it to a mirror finish that has a deep, rich shine. This Stingray has a classic stance on it that we all love. It's set up with the 15-inch rally wheels with BF Goodrich Radial T tires. Now that we've been around the exterior, come on up and let's look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. The power comes from the matching number 327 engine that's set up with the Quadrajet 4-barrel carb. It's dressed with the factory air cleaner and the aluminum finned valve covers. We can see that this 68 is set up with the factory smog pump. To keep it cool, it has the Harrison radiator and clutch fan. This 327 runs through the automatic transmission and factory style rear end. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Stingray with me. Like I said earlier, don't hesitate to call or email us. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms. I'll see you soon.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.